make a good start. He's up a couple of places off the grid. Bagnaia currently running in 6th position. It looked like he was having a look at Marquez, who was super late on the brakes into turn 14 and was able to keep the 2021 world champion at bay. But this is what Quartararo was worried about. Onto that home straight, and look at Jet Miller.
Full attack, maximum risk here. Was the reigning world champion. He runs out well wide. Somebody I think was really wide, maybe even down at the first corner, further down the field. Running wide there, Quartararo coming out of turn number 1.
Contact!
Big contact. Bagnaia, Ducati, and Fabio Quartararo. Oh, look at this. This is incredible action here in MotoGP. The two title contenders. This is incredible action. Here comes Quartararo now back on the inside of Pecco Bagnaia going into turn number 6. You cannot take your eyes off this. Heart in the mouth action here. What a way to start this title decider between the top two men in the championship. This is what, the 4th or 5th time now Quartararo and Bagnaia have overtaken each other on this lap too. Quartararo on the inside of Bagnaia going into turn number 6. Now side by side, leaning on each other again, aren't they? They've already had contact earlier on this Grand Prix at turn 2. So Quartararo back through, sweeping up the inside of Bagnaia into turn 2. Here comes Mir on the inside. He thought about this move on the previous lap. He has made it through this time around.
So Bagnaia lose a position to Miguel Oliveira. Surely now Luca Marini will just sit there behind Pecco Bagnaia. He's got
Marini has then made that move through on Bagnaia. Marini up into 7th.
We watch now the battle between Bagnaia and Bastianini, and Bagnaia got well out of the...
It was number 23 right on his rear tyre, and as you'd expect, top of the championship to the Saxon Ring, 10 races later, and Pecco Bagnaia will be crowned 2022 MotoGP World Champion. One of the greatest comebacks in Grand Prix racing is complete.
These videos, click here and here if you like more videos like this.